Welcome to Smith's Nissan. My name is Kurt and I'm from the used car sales team. Today we do a quick tour of FD68ANX, which is a Toyota Corolla XL hybrid. We'll do a quick tour to show you some of the key features on the vehicle. So starting off, we can see that it's finished in a two-tone paint option with metallic white on the body and a metallic black finish to the roof and mirror caps. It features rear privacy glass on the tailgate and rear windows. Rather smart diamond cut alloys. It also features a shark fin aerial. Taking a look in the rear, we can see that it features a part leather, part cloth interior. Which features ISOFIX on the rear seats, as well as a folding rear middle table. It features electric windows with folding wing mirrors, a manual adjust driver seat, it features an electronic parking brake with auto hold function, full EV mode as part of the hybrid system, heated front seats, dual climate auto aircon, and a display system featuring DAB, Bluetooth and mirror link functions. And a steering wheel which features cruise control and speed limiter as normal. If you'd like any more information on this vehicle or a more in-depth video tour, then give us a call on 01733 267 606.